Hey everybody, welcome back to What the Show!
What the Show!
With your two favorite hosts, Joe and
Dustin.
Today we have another super fun episode for you guys. We are doing, what are we doing, Dustin? Makeup edition!
Spooky makeup edition.
Spooky makeup edition.
Spooky.
Yeah, it's Halloween is coming up pretty soon.
Next week.
And so we looked up some cool things. I don't know yet. Who are you gonna be?
I think I'm gonna be gritty. National treasure.
Yes.
And he's the Flyers mascot.
What exactly is he again?
He's gritty.
No, but is he based on an animal or anything?
Yeah, gritty.
Okay.
He was living underground until construction dug him up. Who cares?
Well, we were inspired by this really cool imager that we found of this girl with this cool makeup with her head off.
Yeah, she had that cool, like, it looked like her head was off.
Yeah. And so we thought,
like
hey,
a steak.
let's react to some really cool makeup things.
Yeah, spooky Halloween makeup.
All right, man. You ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so here is our first one right here.
All right, what do we got?
It's a little boy.
Ew.
Ew. It's a doll. It's a doll.
Why?
Baby, I thought it was a real boy for a second.
Why do they give it junk?
Technically, I guess, does this count as a makeup?
No.
All right, well, let's
Don't
go.
pan too low.
Let's go to the next one. All right, here we go. Ah! Ah! That one's kind of intense.
That is cool.
That is pretty cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
it looks like her teeth are independent of like.
Oh,
her
it's her
jaw.
lips. It's her lips, man. That is crazy. Do you see?
Oh, is that her lip?
Yeah. Look, it's her brain too. Oh wow. I don't know what's going on there.
Oh, she put on fake lip. Ew. Okay, so her lips are painted like teeth.
Yeah, I guess. And her brain. Do you see the brain right there on the forehead?
See the brain.
That is. Oh, she has a black tongue too.
It's like crucifixion.
That is horrendous. It's really intense.
Some people are good at this. We gotta like all this.
Oh yeah, we should. Ugh.
Oh, warts.
That one's.
Looks like beans, or their teeth.
I think they're teeth, man. That is gross.
Yeah. You ever
man.
see the?
That is cringy.
That is gross. You ever see that Reddit beans and things?
No. What is that?
It's beans in places where beans shouldn't be. You ever been there?
No. What is it? So it's just like a bean.
It's like baked beans in like a shoe or something. You never did that?
No.
It's a good Reddit. All right, teeth lady, bean face.
Doesn't look like she moves. Oh!
Oh, like she. Ew.
This one, I feel like we gotta might have to censor this one. This one's pretty intense. Is she
It is.
wiping
Gnarly.
her nose?
Oh, taking off skin. Remember
That is horrendous.
Remember the void
Yes.
where the chick was cutting off her face?
Yes.
This is what it looked
That
like.
is, yeah, exactly. Ugh.
I bet you all these people do them themselves too, don't they?
Yeah, I think so.
When you carve all the pumpkins in your patch, so all you have left is your face.
It's your face.
With emojis.
That is horrendous.
Skip. What's the next one? Ooh.
Oh, another bloody one.
Ew, she's ripping it.
Ah! I like how she has the dog thing on her face.
Oh, the
you see
face.
the little, I think is that makeup? No, it's a little
Yeah, it's like a Snapchat
the FaceTime.
filter.
Yeah.
Ah!
That's
Do you ever
gross.
eat the skin that peeled off your body?
Oh, dude.
I neither.
Oh, God.
But some people do.
Ooh, hello. What do we hear? That's a keeper. Yes. Put it in the skin box, please. Yes. I'm peeling.
Oh, that's just disgusting.
Quickly, thank you. Saves me from myself.
What's this?
These are really bloody. I hope there's less bloody ones.
Oh, she's gonna do it?
Oh, she's gonna do
be
it. We might have to fast forward this one because sometimes they take a long time.
Liquid latex. Oh my gosh. Let's
It's gonna
go.
take forever. No,
You
some
got-
of these take forever, man.
Some of these people have the good faces for it. Like, look how big her face is.
Yeah, it is.
It's like, like, I don't know. How wide is that? Like
It's
a dinner plate?
It's a wide face, and it's round. It's
Yeah, like
very
a dinner
round.
plate worth of a face?
I don't know, man. I don't know if we can make it all the way to the end of this. I feel like
Well, we got to.
I feel like we should pass forward.
Okay. I feel like I can do all this too. This doesn't seem too hard.
FX blood. All right, we're adding blood to this.
Blood.
Oh, it's the skin that she put on was what really set it off.
I bet you, nothing has nothing, but I bet you girls are better at this because they're just good with makeup.
Yeah, yeah.
So like the blending and stuff, like I couldn't blend stuff to make it look like
God,
my skin.
that was horrendous.
Yeah, there wasn't enough of the final product on that.
No.
If you ask me.
That one's kind of cool. It's like retro.
Like retro zombie girl.
You know what that reminds me of? The what's that guy? That green monster with the big eyes bugging out. He's on a
the
motorcycle.
Toxic Avenger?
Is that who it is? I think so. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't know about a
He's
motorcycle.
a cartoon. He's like on a motorcycle. He's got his eyes bugging out. Oh my god.
Oh, like rat ink?
Ooh.
She's from Saga. Yeah, the stalk.
I don't know what that is.
Right there.
Oh. That's crazy.
So this lady has no arms, but has a humongous rat ass. Well, no, spider legs. That like also are
This is
arms.
nightmare fuel right
There
here.
are very graphic sex scenes with her too.
That's gross. Why do you have all this random knowledge?
What, you don't know Saga's a great show?
Ugh.
Oh, octopus.
That one's kind of cool.
Like Old Boy. You ever see Old
It's
Boy?
got the little shadow. No, I never saw Old Boy. That's a pretty good one.
Who's
I
next?
wonder if her from the side, though, it might be...
Yeah,
know.
that's like straight on, one angle type
Yeah.
stuff.
Woo! That's kind of cool.
That is cool. Is that all makeup?
I think so.
Looks like a
Whoa,
mask.
did you see her mouth move at the
Yeah.
end? That's pretty cool. I think the bottom set of eyes isn't real.
She did good not to blink.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
This is tripping me up, but damn, that's so
Tripping.
talent.
Trippy.
Who's next?
All right.
Oh!
Ooh, simple, you know?
Jesus.
That is... if you saw that.
Faceless.
Freak out.
Good God.
Do you remember, did you ever see Kung Pao?
Yeah.
Remember when he punched him in the stomach and a whole circle flew out of him?
No.
I mean, crap, man. Look at that.
Oh, that happened, then he died, but he punched him in the stomach. It was just like that, but in his chest. And it was a perfect circle, and he was just like, huh! And then he just died. It's pretty funny.
That was a good movie.
Ah,
Hey!
little Rick and Morty. Okay,
Rick.
okay.
I don't like that.
Nah.
You're getting too close, Joe.
And I gotta see the picture, man. Get in there! I gotta see the detail!
Joe can't see.
Her eyes are closed, too.
Is it a lady?
You can't really see. Or his. I don't know.
Art of Adam Gregory. Yeah,
that's
see
it.
some
It's
hot
definitely-
chick always getting the
Ooh!
Upside down rip
little
face?
split, little rip.
kind of look like oh yeah, ripped.
What do you mean, upside down rip face?
It kind of looks like her face is upside down too.
Oh, I
Maybe not,
see.
don't know. Her eyes look upside down. Oh, like the
That one's cool. It's like an illusion.
that looks fake though.
I mean,
Is that not fake?
It's definitely painted. It's not
Alright,
real
yeah, it is
water.
painted.
It's not water.
Those lines are crisp. Those are crisp lines.
All right, yeah, that's pretty cool. All right,
Unimpressed.
Next.
There you go.
That
That's
one's
some
kinda cool.
stuff. I like the black paint against black background because it looks like
Yeah.
like legit.
She looks super shimmery.
Shimmery.
Expensive. Expensive. She robbed a treasure store.
I heard this lady again.
Oh, there she
Farther
is.
out, I guess.
I don't
Is
think
it
that's the
lady?
same lady. I think it's the same style.
It is the same style.
Yeah.
They're ripping off each other. It's only got 10,000 likes. Loser.
Oh, it's the same. Okay, all
Is
right,
this-
all right. I guess it's
Yeah,
not.
Halloween makeup. Somebody
Is it the
ideas?
same person?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the same. I
the
don't know
same
if it's the same
style.
model.
It's the same paint style.
I
Though.
like the brain part.
Yeah, the brain part's cool. The hair's cool.
The hair is cool.
The hair's pretty cool.
What's next? Ooh, jack-o'-lantern lady?
Is that a jack-o'-lantern or a tiger?
No,
A
I think it's
sparkly
like
tiger.
I don't know, but it's
Nah,
like
I
galaxies behind it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Makeup by Semites.
Smite. Smitey.
Ooh, eyeballs.
Ooh, 3 eyes. Is that a character from
It's got
something?
5 eyes.
Is that a character from something? No, I don't think so.
Something.
No,
I do not know. Ah, more squids.
Oh
What's up
god.
with squids?
I don't know.
Is that a thing this
Look
year?
at her nose. It's like bloody, and it's coming out of her nose.
It's coming
that
out.
was intense.
I bet you Japan's all about this.
think
Oh, and I think that's
I think
it.
that's it, man.
Nice.
Which one was your favorite, dude?
Which one was my favorite?
Gotta go through.
I like the one where they're carving her face off.
I like the eyeball one. The roach spider lady.
Oh, there, the spider lady. What's her name?
What's
The
it-
Stalk.
Stalk.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
Stalk.
Stalk looked pretty cool.
She was pretty cool.
So, all right, guys, what'd you guys think?
Yeah, was that fun? You
That
guys
was
ready
fun.
for Halloween?
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked, man. I don't know what I'm gonna be yet, though, man. I'll
Should be
have
short round.
to- yeah. The plane. The plane. Is that him?
No, that's
Short round.
that's the guy. Short rounds from Indiana Jones.
Wow, holy smoke! Crash landing!
Short round. Step on it.
Okie dokie, Dr. Jones, hold on to your potatoes!
I could be a good short round.
You'd be a great short round.
I need that hat, though.
I could be Indy.
Yeah, you could be.
That's an easy costume.
We could
too.
totally be like
He just wears
oh my
regular
gosh.
clothes.
On Halloween, we should be that as
Short
for
round
the
and
show.
Indy?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I have to talk like him the whole show. Dr. Jones! Instagram!
Yeah, just one word impression.
So, alright, guys, thanks for checking us out. That is our episode today.
Yeah.
Hope you guys liked it. As always, make sure you guys hit that subscribe
Subscribe
button.
to this.
And also check out the Instagram.
It's on fleek.
Dustin is head quarterback of that, and
yeah.
he kills it. He crushes the game.
I'm Instagram COO.
Yeah, he is.
It's pretty good. We post a bunch of crap up there, like behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah, exactly. It's a funny, random things.
Funny randos.
So, alright, guys. Tune in next time, guys, for more episodes of
What the show?
The Show!
Nice.
Yeah, man. Those are pretty fun. Those are pretty cool.
Those are cool.
I like how it's in time with Halloween, too, coming.
I know, it's Halloween coming.
Halloweeny!
Hit those buttons, guys. The square and the circle.
Subscribe.
Hit them. There's other videos and stuff.
That's pretty cool, man.
Go watch our old video where the basement blew up.
Now you gotta censor that, man.
It'll be off.